This is the semi-final of WTT Champions Montpellier 2024. The French prodigy versus the top Chinese dominance.
Merci à tous, vous me poussez comme jamais. Il reste encore un match à aller chercher.
WTT Champions Montpellier 2024, the unbelievable triumph of Felix Lebrun. This is the match that will be remembered for years. At the WTT Champions Montpellier 2024, Felix Lebrun achieved the impossible, defeating Lin Shidong, a top Chinese player and the man many believed could be Ma Long's successor, with a sweeping 4-0 victory. Yes, 4-0 against one of China's finest. This outcome has shocked the table tennis world and thrilled fans worldwide. Before the match, Lin Shidong was heavily favored to win, with 77% of viewers voting in his favor. After all, Lin has shown a skill set that mirrors the disciplined and powerful play of China's legendary champions. Yet Felix, driven by the energy of a home crowd and equipped with an impeccable strategy, didn't just win, he dominated. For the first time in recent memory, both of China who face a reality where even the young stars aren't invincible. Tonight, the Chinese coach may struggle to rest, replaying every moment in search of
Merci à tous, vous me poussez comme jamais. Il reste encore un match à aller chercher.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.